In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover Windows 10 deleted files. Accidentally deleting an important file can happen to anyone, but thankfully, Windows provides a simple way to restore it using the Recycle Bin. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. This menu allows you to search for apps, files, and system tools on your computer. Next, type Recycle Bin in the search bar and click on it when it appears in the results. The Recycle Bin works like a temporary storage area where deleted files are kept before they are permanently removed. Once the Recycle Bin window opens, browse through the list of deleted files to locate the one you want to recover. It's best to check the Recycle Bin as soon as possible after deleting a file, since older files may eventually be removed automatically if the bin becomes full. When you find the file you want to restore, right-click on it to open the Options menu. From the menu, select Restore. As soon as you click Restore, the file will be returned to its original location on your computer. This allows you to recover accidentally deleted files quickly without using any additional software. That's how you recover deleted files in Windows 10 using the Recycle Bin. Acting quickly after deleting a file increases the chances of recovering it successfully.